What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a nice little spring eye makeup look since it has been so nice out. I know we can't do a lot of stuff outside, but I'm still in the spring season with the pretty colors. I started putting flowers on my wall, and so I thought it would be fun to do a spring inspired makeup look. So I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star, the Jawbreaker palette. Just the colors in here just like scream spring, and so this is definitely the palette I want to go in with. So if you want to jump into spring with me, then let's get started. Alright, so I have already prepped my eyes with some concealer and I did set it. So let's jump into the Jawbreaker palette. So first what I want to go into is the color Cone. And I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star and Morphe brush set. This is JS6. And I just want to put the Cone shade all over my lid and a little bit into my crease. And I love the mirror on this palette. I don't have to use anything else. I can just go in with this mirror. Putting that into the crease. The color is so pretty. And since we're using pinks, I wanted to go in with a more corally kind of tone for the crease shade, not so much like a brown tone that I would usually go into. Just want to make sure that this is blended out really nice, since it is our base. So I really definitely want to go into Bubblegum and Gumdrop. So I'm going to go in with Bubblegum, and I'm probably going to mix in some Gumdrop. I'm just loving the two pastel colors together. They're so pretty. So going back in with the JS6, I'm going to go into that Bubblegum shade. And I want to put this all over the lid. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, this color is so pretty. So I'm just packing this color all over my lid, blending a little bit into the crease just to blend in with the Cone shade. Oh yeah. If you don't know me, pink is my favorite color, and so I'm loving this color. Alright, so now that I have the pink on, I'm just going to grab the JS9 brush again. No product on it, and I just kind of want to go into the crease and just blend Cone and Bubblegum together and just make sure they're blended seamlessly before moving on to any other colors. Alright, so I really want to do Gumdrop, the purple color, but I can't decide if I want it to be underneath my eyes or what. I think I'm going to do Gumdrop on my lower lash line. And I'm going to go in with Snack, this beautiful pink metallic, and I want to throw that on the center of the lid to add a little bit of shimmer. Look. So I'm just going to use my ring finger and go right in the center. Oh, that is so pretty. Back again with the brush that I was using for Bubblegum. I'm just going to blend the edges a little bit around where I just put snack. Oh, because I'm a snack. Oh, I'm loving that. I kind of want to do Gumdrop in the crease now and on the lower lash line. I feel like the purple on the top and on the bottom would look so good. So we're gonna switch things up and hope for the best. The palette blends amazingly. I haven't really gone into this palette. So now I do want to go back in with Gumdrop and just brighten up the pink again because we did blend over it quite a bit. But oh yeah, that is so pretty. And then some more of snack. So lower lash line, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Bubblegum right in the lash line, and then I'm going to blend out Gumdrop. To apply Bubblegum, I'm going to be going in with the JS13, just this small little brush. I'm going to be putting that right in the lash line. I wish I had like a pink liner, but alright, and for the inner corner, we're going to go into snack again, just to tie the whole look together. Oh yeah, that's so... So for mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. It's pink as well. We're just all pink themed. Pink palette, pink shirt, pink eye look. for this look, and I'm not even done my whole face yet. Alright, so I am going to there's like no gel left in here. I've had this for so long, but I still just use it to brush it out, and whatever gel is left in there can help me. But I am going to now finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I will come back and show you the final look. Alright, you guys, so I added some bronzer, a lot of blush, just since I did the pink eyes and a pink lip. I just wanted to have a lot of blush on. And I also put on pink highlighter, a little bit on top of my blush just to have some extra shine, which you can see on my nose, right here, on my cupid's bow, and then on my cheekbones. So for my lips, I used MAC's Please Me lipstick, and I topped it off with the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star gloss. But this is the final look. I am in love. Like, after doing the rest of my face makeup and putting on mascara and just making my lashes look beautiful and voluptuous again, and my face is glowing, I am totally here for this pink and purple eyeshadow look. I think it looks so good. Make sure you guys look for upcoming looks, because I am just feeling a lot of fun, colorful makeup looks lately, and I'm definitely going to film another one either tomorrow or the next day, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. My favorite color is pink, and I just thought it'd be fun to just kind of be pink for the day. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.